So what we're going to do today is this particular lower has the standard left side safety. All the receivers that you see have the ability to have the safety on both sides. Alright, so first thing you're going to do, this is a pretty simple handle on here, is there is a screw, usually a flathead, all the way down at the bottom. Now, as the screw starts to come out, you're going to make sure you hold on to the handle because there's a spring and a pin that's actually inside the handle that's sticking up into the safety. So what I'm going to do is very carefully scoot this off. There we go. And you see here's the spring that goes in there. And what that does is, now that you see that I've taken the spring out, the safety just freely moves. And here's the pin right here, so we need to make sure we drop that out. Put this to the side. All I do is just pull the safety right out. And I put the old one to the side. Safety. Latch on this side. Just put it right into the groove. I'm putting a little bit of pressure on the back side with my thumb. And of course it helps if I use the right tool. Oop. See? One of the lovely things of having too many parts and not enough thumbs. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this started. For right now, I'm just going to tighten it, just finger tighten it. Here's the grip, here's the spring that goes in the grip, and here's the pin. Now it's flat on one side and it's pointy on the other side. The pointy side goes down, so put it in the safe position, drop the pin in. Gonna let gravity help you out on this one. Gonna go ahead and slide that in. Let that spring seat in. Put some pressure on it. Alright, so I got the handle back on. The screw's in there snug, but not grilled. And a function check on the safety. Works good. Flip it over. Flips good this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Allen wrench and I'm going to tighten it down just a little bit. Not a lot. There we go. Just to ensure that's in there good. And there we go. And we now have a safety on both sides.